Hello guys, welcome back to 𝙇𝙖𝙧𝙝 Chinese. I love Gloria. I know that lots of friends love Cantonese because they're kind of 𝙂𝙧𝙧𝙗 or 𝙂𝙧𝙧𝙘𝙪. As a foodie, how could you not describe food like a native Cantonese speaker? Today we are going to learn some texture words about food in Cantonese. Number 1, what, smooth. Have you tried this dessert before? This dessert originates from my hometown, 順德. It's called 雙皮奶, double skim milk. So we could say 呢間鋪嘅雙皮奶好滑，呢間鋪嘅雙皮奶好滑啊。呢間鋪 this restaurant, this shop, this store 嘅雙皮奶 double skim milk 好滑 is smooth. Or we could say 你啲皮膚好似剝殼雞蛋咁滑，你啲皮膚好似剝殼雞蛋咁滑，你啲皮膚 your skin 好似咁 just like 剝殼雞蛋 peeling eggs 滑 smooth. Your skin is so smooth like the peeling eggs. Number 2, high, rough. The opposite word of what is high. Time is very important for cooking. When you cook for a long time, then the meat will be rough, high. When you are 打邊爐 with your friend and your friend is playing their phones, then you could tell them 快啲夾起啲肉啊，唔係鞋晒㗎。快啲夾起啲肉啊，唔係鞋晒㗎。快啲 quickly 夾起 take something up 啲肉 the meat 唔係 or 鞋晒㗎啦，鞋晒 totally rough 㗎啦 final particle 快啲夾起啲肉啊，唔係鞋晒㗎啦。Take the meat out quickly or the meat will be totally rough. Number 3, hard. My parents always tell me the story about their past that they have to help their parents to cut the cane after school. They love cane a lot, but 我唔鍾意食蔗，因為咬起身好硬。我唔鍾意 I don't like 食蔗 eating cane 因為 because 咬起身 bite 好硬 so hard 我唔鍾意食蔗因為咬起身好硬 I don't like eating cane because it's too hard when you take a bite. Number 4, 軟 soft鋪床太軟啦，對腰骨唔好啊。鋪床太軟啦，對腰骨唔好啊。鋪床 the bed 太軟啦 so soft 對 4 腰骨 spine 唔好 not healthy. The bed is too soft. It's not healthy for the spine. 鋪床太軟啦，對腰骨唔好啊。Number 5, chewy. When the meat is quite chewy, then we could say 好韌。呢間飯店嘅芥蘭炒牛肉唔好食，佢炒到啲牛肉太韌啦。呢間飯店嘅芥蘭炒牛肉唔好食，佢炒到啲牛肉太韌啦。呢間飯店 this restaurant 嘅芥蘭炒牛肉beef fried hell 唔好食 it's not tasty 佢炒到啲牛肉太韌啦 it fried the beef so chewy. Number 6, 爽口 fresh and tasty and it's also crispy. For example 呢條青瓜生食好爽口啊，呢條青瓜生食好爽口啊。呢條青瓜 this cucumber 生食 without cooked 好爽口，好爽口 very fresh and crispy. Another one is similar like crispy for
biscuit.
Have you tried 燒肉 before? There is a crispy skin on the top. It's very crispy. 好脆，好脆，脆皮燒肉，脆皮燒肉 barbecue meat with the crispy meat. And we could also say 呢隻餅乾好脆啊，呢隻餅乾好脆啊。This biscuit is very crispy. Number 8. Succulent or juicy for the fruit, succulent for the dishes. We could say 多汁，多汁。呢個西瓜夠多汁啦，但係唔夠甜。呢個西瓜夠多汁啦，但係唔夠甜。This watermelon is juicy but not sweet enough. Number 9. 結 or 結撻撻，結撻撻 means mushy. 佢撳錯掣，煮到啲飯結撻撻。佢撳錯掣，煮到啲飯結撻撻。佢 she 撳錯掣 press wrong button， 煮到啲飯結撻撻。Cook the rice into mushy。佢撳錯掣，煮到啲飯結撻撻。She pressed the wrong button and made the rice mushy. Yes, it's me. Number 10. 嫩 嫩 Actually, 嫩 is similar to what smooth, but 嫩 has another meanings like young. Then we could say 點樣可以蒸到隻雞又嫩又滑啊？點樣可以蒸到隻雞又嫩又滑啊？點樣 How 可以 could 蒸到隻雞steam the chicken 又嫩又滑tender and smooth 點樣可以蒸到隻雞又嫩又滑啊？ How could we steam the chicken smoothly and tenderly? So after today's video, I believe that you could become a totally professional foodie. If you think this video is very helpful, please like and share with your friends. I'm Gloria. See you soon. Bye bye.